a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
To impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000, now my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just won the party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Hands to the sky if you're feeling a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you catching a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you rolled up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up.
Alright, honey, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, honey, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by XRSBEAUTY Hair. Shout out to you, XRSBeauty, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. This is my first time working with this company, but honey, from what I had saw online, I was like, let me give them a try, okay? So, once again, shout out to you, boo. Okay, so, before I even get into the details and stuff about this unit, I want to go ahead and talk about their lace. They did send me, like, some sample laces that I used, I sprayed on my arm. They did request that I use Gots to be Glue, but honey, she ain't got any here because as you guys know, that is not really the spray that I use. I use either bedhead or even spray, so that was all that I had. But they did send me some samples, and I just kind of want to show you guys what this looks like. So this is the regular transparent lace, and I just want to kind of show that on my hand. And you guys know I usually love transparent lace, so you can kind of see it right here, or maybe I should put it on my arm. So y'all can see that that's the regular transparent lace, and they did label them, but I don't think you guys can see that with my lighting. And then we have the regular brown lace, and I know you guys know that I'm always complaining that this lace is always too dark for me. So that is what this lace looks like on my arm, and you can literally see that it's obviously too dark for me. And then they have, and I got a lot of Gots to Be glue on this, so y'all excuse this, because when I was like, not Gots to Be glue, I got a lot of spray on it, my bedhead spray, so excuse that. But you guys can see this is the clear lace. So that's what that looks like. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys that before I even got into the video. So the clear lace is the lace that I am obviously rocking right now, honey. Okay, I have the clear lace on. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is their XRSBEAUTY Hair new clear lace and clean hairline body wave 13x6 lace front wig, undetectable skin melt human hair lace wig. And they do have this unit available in a natural color, a number 2 and a number 4. You can choose what you want. They do have the densities 150, 100, 200, and 250% density. You can also choose that. The lengths that are available is 14 to 32 inches. So all of those being even numbers. Now, what I actually have is 16 inches. I have it in 200% density, and it is a body wave unit. So yeah, those are the details and specs that I have with this unit. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and say, as far as shedding and tangling with this wig, there was none. I did decide to curl this hair last night and try to use the little rollers. Honey, I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with you. I've never been the best with flexi rise, okay? I'm just not. You guys know, if you watch me, I always say I'm nobody's beautician. I am a struggler with the flexi rise, okay? But I feel like I did a decent job with them. This unit is a body wave. It's not like a loose wave or anything like that. So it just has a little body. But you guys know I do prefer to curl my body wave wigs. I rarely if ever wear them in their natural state. Now, as far as this unit being big head friendly, I feel like this unit is very big head friendly. I did adjust the straps, and it did come with some elastic bands. If you want to, you can wear those. I decided not to utilize them, but I do want to throw it out there that it did come with them, and you can attach those as you see fit. Okay, so I also want to throw it out there with this wig that I did not bleach this unit. I did not tweeze this unit. I did not do any of the things. Oh, girl woke up like this, okay? Y'all know I like to say, you know, she woke up like this. She woke up like this, girl, okay? I did not touch this wig whatsoever, which makes this a very, very beginner-friendly frontal, okay? Like, she woke up like this, girl, okay? All I had to do was choose where I wanted to part it and put her on, basically. Like, so shout out to them for that. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you are interested in my pros and cons on this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, honey, so we will start with my cons. I always like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. My con with this unit is that it says it is 200% density. It is not giving that to me. It is possibly 180 is what it's probably serving me. But it's definitely not giving me 200% density. That is what they said they sent, but that is not the vibe that I am getting. It's giving me definitely more of 150, 180% density natural sort of vibe. It is not excessively thick. So I want to throw that out there because that is my con. It's not a con with the unit, it's a con with what it says that it is and what I feel that it is. So that is a con for me. Now, as for the pros, girl, the pros are endless, honey. Okay, let's talk about this hairline. let's talk about this hairline. Let's talk about the knots already being bleached. Let's talk about this lace, girl, okay? Let's talk about this lace. Because you guys know I struggle with the lace sometimes, especially when the majority of my units that I get are brown lace or wigs. So let's talk about it, honey, okay? Let's get into it, girl. So I did want to throw that out there about the lace. That is like my biggest pro with this unit is the lace. But I also love the hairline. I also love that it came pre-bleached. I also love how the hair feels and looks. Like the pros with this wig are freaking endless, girl. Okay, endless, girl. Now, would I recommend this wig? Yes, I would, 150,000%. This unit is gorgeous, y'all. Okay, and if all of their wigs, this is my first time working with this company, so I can't say, you know, every wig, but if every wig is like this, then I would recommend every wig on the site, honey. Okay, this unit is gorgeous. Like, this is definitely gonna be a go-to for your girl, honey. Okay, like, look at her. Just look at her. Okay, so yeah, I would definitely recommend this unit 150,000%, honey. I think she's a look. I think she's a vibe. Let me know down below what you guys think. I think she is worth the points, honey. You get what you pay for. You know, I like to say that you get what you pay for. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way. All right, honey. So this is obviously the unit in the front. Child, I can burn my feet off. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you own a unit from this company or if you've ever tried this company. I really am interested in hearing you guys' thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. And once again, shout out to you, XRSBEAUTY Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.